and to be honest, I didn't think I'd make it this far.
Morgan, put me in a track. Okay. As time goes by and my life unwinds, my eyes cry like 3 times. Untimely, no small feat to be defeated. Looks like I'm beaten, I hurt for the season. It can't get much clearer, I can hear her. The real her, the realtor, I miss her, I missed her. Maybe by some miracle she'll come back to me. Probably not, since we've parted ways. I'm now part of space, infinite waves, no parking space. I saw sparks in the shade. Now I'm shady, like I gone crazy. Black oil baby, it's crazy to be me. Never took a tree for granted. Smoke trees on my eyelids. I miss being a kid on the island. I tried to grab hold, but my grip is more fight than tight. Tight pussy like I fuck light. God's green appetite, but a bruised mic and a overbite. Diamond life, I cut those lines last night. Good morning, shiny bright knife. Thank you for the flight and the wings. When it's just me, I don't fly. I float and choke and not the rope. Don't wanna be a host or a ghost with the most. Mostly I hope that you're hearing me and believing me and seeing me in the stars without these scars, 'cause I got these scars. They might be yours. I saw the blood on the sheets. Think about the cheats and it burns me. Feet leave the ground when it's swell to swell. I hope the cell's gonna make me cry again. Don't wanna break down like divided men. Understand that a flower grows from the glow our fingers make when they touch. Like figures, it figures when we figure it out. My mind melts as I plow. Why and how? Time is now, so I'm reaching out. Ow, gun sounds and it's loud. Smith and Wesson lesson, life's a test and a guess. I'm wet from the jets. They're warm and they make bubbles when we huddle. Still trying to score a touchdown with no fumbles. Don't mumble, I scream it out loud to the crowd in the clouds from the mound. As I'm writing this down, you're coming around. Please stay, don't wanna be down. I hate clowns 'cause they get me down. But I love carousels and the way that they go around, up and down and up. And I also love luck. I don't know if it's real. If it is, then it's lovely. And I thank you for spending time with me. I thank you for everything that you've given me. I'm free. I'm free. In the track and I'm free. Time marches on Earth, in the galaxy, in me. God's got a plan. Don't you see? More stuff coming, stay tuned. Morgan.